We came to lay complaint to the chairman of INEC Nigeria because of what we saw in course of the just concluded elections. To be frank with you, before the elections, when the PVCs were being issued out and distributed, Festus Okoye, barrister, and the Kenneth Ukaga changed one of the EOs of the local governments in Imo State, and that happens to be that or not. And when that was done, we never knew why he demoted the EO in Ideato or not and set her back to the INEC headquarters, Imo State. Then went and met his own brother, EO of the local government, with the intention of serving PDP and making sure that he delivered his candidates in the Ideato federal constituency. So when that happened, we never knew, and the election continued. In course of election, we now notice that Ideato North, that has 195, 95 or 96 polling booths. In that 195, 96 polling booths, up to 56 polling booths, election was not conducted in them. And they went on and declared a winner. And when we went to INEC, we said, please, see what happened in the local government. The REC of Imo State wanted to go for a review. And they said they had received a call from Abuja. And they said nobody should revisit or review, that we should go to court. Being law-abiding citizens of this country, we remain calm. But very surprisingly, second election came, where we filled in two candidates of Ideato North and Ideato South. And the APC won the two local governments. And they were declared the winners. Until the day the certificates were issued. That was when, in course of that issuance of the certificates in INEC headquarters, we heard that somebody directed from Abuja that those two local governments should not be issued out. And our candidates did not receive the certificate of returns as I speak to you. We came here to lay this complaint to the chairman of INEC Nigeria at the same time. Know who is that power that when the INEC chief gives directive, changes the directive. We are here to know the activities that are going on here. There is one thing we want to inform. That Festus Okoye, barrister, and Ukaga Kenneth, they claim to be the INEC commissioners for Imo State. But I want to inform you that they are not INEC commissioner for Imo State. They represent only the PDP. We are calling on all, both ICPC and police, to investigate these matters and see why these two individuals have decided to destroy the whole of Ideato nation. We are not happy. And we are praying and crying to the INEC chief to release and issue out the certificate of return to our people and our candidates that were declared winners of the just concluded election. That of federal constituency, we have agreed to go to court. When we get to court, because 56 of the polling booths were not, election was not conducted in them, we are going to address the matter at the tribunal. And whatever thing that is the outcome, being law-abiding citizens of this country, we are going to take it. That is why we are here. And if it is not done, it means that Kenneth Ukaga and Barrister Okoye are trying to destroy Ideato nation. And God will not allow it. If there is anything they want to do, they should do it in accordance to the provisions of the law and the Electoral Act. Thank you and God bless you.
Can you tell us in specific the constituencies you are referring to, both the state and the federal and the state?
The constituencies affected: 1, Ideato North State Constituency; 2, Ideato South State Constituency. Then Ideato Federal Constituency, as I said before, there were 56 of the Plimbus election was not conducted, but at the same time, a winner was declared. I don't know whom Festus Okoye and Kenneth Ukaga are working for. Thank you and God bless you.
And sees in a very peaceful manner, so we want to thank you on behalf of the commission that you have come peacefully to tell us what you think are your grievances. So I would now like you to go with me to the office with one or two of your people so that we can receive this and acknowledge it. So one more time, thank you for being peaceful.
We equally want to appreciate you for addressing us. At the same time, telling you why we were coming here. We were thinking that Festus Okoye was going to be the person to address us. And here you would have seen war and fight with him. Because we want to see him one-on-one. And we know actually whether he is representing Eastern Central State here or he is representing PDP. Thank you and God bless you.